Spotify's average payment to artists ranges between $0.003 and $0.005 per stream. This translates to an approximate revenue split of 70-30, where 70% goes to the artist/rights holders, and 30% is retained by Spotify. It's important to note that the rights holders of a song may include the publisher, songwriter, and the owners of the master recording, such as the artist and/or the label they are signed to. Title: Understanding Spotify's Payment Structure, How Artists Earn Revenue per Stream. Introduction. In this article, we will delve into the intricacies of Spotify's payment system and shed light on how artists generate revenue from their streams on the platform. By exploring the factors that influence payment rates and sharing essential insights, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of the financial aspects artists encounter in the streaming industry. The basics of Spotify's payment model. When it comes to compensating artists for their music on Spotify, the platform employs a complex formula that involves several variables. Unlike a fixed per stream rate, Spotify's payment structure is influenced by factors such as the country of the listener, the artist's market share, and the overall revenue generated by the platform. Understanding the streams to user ratio. Spotify calculates the streams to user ratio by dividing the total revenue generated in a specific period by the total number of streams during that same period. This ratio determines the value of an individual stream. Although Spotify has not publicly disclosed the exact value of the streams to user ratio, it remains a crucial component in determining an artist's earnings per stream. The role of country and currency. Spotify operates in numerous countries, each with its own currency and economic conditions. As a result, the payment rates can vary from country to country. Generally, artists tend to earn higher royalties in regions with strong currencies and robust music markets. Conversely, regions with weaker currencies and less developed music industries may yield lower payment rates. The influence of market share. Spotify's payment system takes into account an artist's market share to distribute royalties. This means that artists with a larger listener base will receive a proportionately larger share of the revenue. The calculation includes the number of streams an artist receives relative to the total number of streams on the platform. Therefore, artists with a dedicated following can benefit from higher payment rates. Other factors impacting royalty rates. While Spotify is known for its streaming service, it offers additional features such as curated playlists and personalized recommendations. These factors can also contribute to an artist's overall royalty rate. Being featured on popular playlists or receiving prominent placements within the platform can lead to increased exposure and subsequently higher streaming numbers, thereby positively impacting an artist's earnings. Conclusion. Earning revenue through streaming platforms like Spotify involves a complex payment structure influenced by various factors. Artists should consider the streams to user ratio, the role of country and currency, their market share, and other elements that affect royalty rates. By understanding these dynamics, artists can better navigate the streaming landscape and optimize their earning potential on platforms like Spotify.